Hi, senior friends. iGrandma here. We're going to have a second session where we talk a little bit about how to actually move things around on your telephone. Here we have the iPhone 10, which we talked about in our last session, and this is the iPhone 6. And you may have one somewhere in between. But the iPhone 10 is the first iPhone that came out without a start button. So if you have an older phone, there is a button at the bottom which you push in order to activate the telephone. Well, what are we going to do with the iPhone 10? There's no button. Well, secret surprise. All you do is swipe up to get access to all of your individual icons. Now, let's say that you want to either enlarge or reduce. And I sent myself a picture for the purpose of this demonstration. My dog and I were out walking a few weeks ago, and can you imagine what we saw in somebody's front yard? There's this huge stag, and so I took a picture from across the street. However, it doesn't show up very clearly because it was at a distance, and I want to show you a little bit more clearly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the picture to enlarge it, and then if I want to just sort of zero in on one aspect, I put my thumb and my forefinger together, touch the picture, and then gradually spread my thumb and forefinger apart, and it enlarges the picture. Now, if I want to reduce it, I just squeeze down, and it becomes smaller. So I've shown you a little bit about how to open the phone, how to move from one area to another, how to enlarge, and how to zoom in on a photograph. And so we've learned a few things about navigating the iPhone. So next week we will get into the real meat of things, and we will start learning how to make and receive a telephone call. So stay well. Thank you.